If you're looking to create onboarding workflows in Process.st, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a seamless onboarding process that automates key tasks, saving you valuable time while ensuring your new hires are set up for success from day one. Stick around until the end for an exclusive bonus on how to make the most of Process.st's free trial. First things first, when you log into Process.st, you're greeted by the dashboard. To start building your onboarding workflow, head to the Templates section. Templates are the backbone of Process.st. They allow you to create reusable checklists that can be applied to multiple projects. To create a new template, click on the New Template button. You'll be able to give it a name, something like Employee Onboarding or New Hire Process, and start building your workflow step by step. Each step can be a task that your new hire needs to complete, and you can add a description or instructions to guide them. Process.st allows you to break down your onboarding into specific tasks, whether it's completing paperwork, watching training videos, or setting up their workstations. You can make each task clear and concise so there's no ambiguity. You can even set specific deadlines for each task to ensure everything stays on track. Next, you'll want to add conditions and automations to streamline the process. For example, you can make tasks conditional, meaning if one task is marked complete, the next one automatically gets assigned. This is perfect for onboarding because you don't want new hires to be bombarded with tasks that are irrelevant to their stage in the process. Process.st's conditional logic helps keep it all organized. Another great feature for onboarding workflows is the ability to assign specific tasks to different team members. Let's say your HR person is handling the paperwork, while your manager is responsible for training. Simply assign the tasks to the appropriate person, and they'll be notified automatically when it's their turn to act. You can also attach files to each task, making it easy to share documents, training materials, or anything else your new hire needs. Don't forget the power of templates when it comes to scaling your onboarding process. Once you create the perfect workflow for one new hire, you can duplicate the template for future hires. This ensures consistency across the board. Everyone gets the same onboarding experience, and nothing is left to chance. One more thing. As you progress with your onboarding process, you'll want to track progress in real time. Process.st's dashboard makes this easy by allowing you to monitor how far along each new hire is in their workflow. If there are any delays or issues, you'll be able to quickly identify them and step in to help. If you're ready to dive into Process.st and start creating your own onboarding workflows, remember that you can access the software completely for free through the first link in the description below. Not only that, but you'll also get exclusive bonuses to maximize your experience. By now, you should have a good understanding of how to create onboarding workflows in Process.st. The process is simple, efficient, and fully customizable. Whether you're onboarding one person or a team of 50, Process.st has the tools to make it run smoothly. So don't forget, check the link below for your exclusive free trial and start streamlining your onboarding process today. Happy onboarding!